Today, we're diving into a unique way to capture the essence of your travels using the power of ChatGPT. Forget traditional journaling. Let's explore how ChatGPT can transform your journey documentation. Let's get started. Traveling often means experiencing unforgettable moments that you want to capture before they fade away. Whether you're exploring a bustling city, a serene nature spot, or a vibrant cultural event, ChatGPT right here is here to help. You can quickly jot down notes, thoughts, and observations, turning them into beautifully crafted descriptions on the spot. So here's the prompt, for instance. Hey ChatGPT, I just visited the Shibuya Crossing in Tokyo. It was incredibly crowded and energetic. Can you help me describe this experience vividly? Let's see how ChatGPT brings this moment to life. See right here. And this is how ChatGPT would reiterate or rewrite this with more depth and all, more descriptive words. These look good though. So with ChatGPT, you can simply turn a moment that you just sent over to ChatGPT through your prompt into a captivating narrative, making your travel journals richer and more immersive. Whether it's a quick note or an elaborate description, ChatGPT ensures you never miss a detail. Pretty impressive, I might say. After a day filled with exploration, it's time to transform your notes and observations into detailed travel stories. ChatGPT, our old buddy here once again, right here, can assist you in weaving together your experiences, interactions, and reflections into captivating narratives. So let's see how ChatGPT can turn a simple note into a rich, detailed story. Imagine you've just visited a traditional tea house in Kyoto and you want to capture the essence of that experience. So let's go here to the input box right here, put together your prompt, and boom. ChatGPT, can you help me write a short story about my visit to a traditional tea house in Kyoto? So watch how ChatGPT transforms your notes into a beautifully crafted narrative. Take a look at how ChatGPT would process everything. Gets more narrative from there, gets more detailed. You know that. You can add more details through your prompt while doing so. So, as you can see with ChatGPT, your travel stories can capture not just the events, but the emotions and sensory details that make each experience unique. It's like having a personal travel writer by your side, helping you craft memories that you'll cherish forever. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Your travel experiences aren't just about words. They're also about the stunning visuals that tell a story on their own. ChatGPT right here can help you enhance your visual storytelling, making your travel vlogs more engaging and captivating. So here's another prompt for this to help you out. Let's say, ChatGPT, I have a series of photos from my hike up Mount Fuji. Can you help me create a compelling narrative for my blog? So let's see how ChatGPT enhances the story. As you can see, this is how ChatGPT would help you out with the vlogs and all. So, as you can see, by integrating ChatGPT generated content, your travel vlogs can tell a richer story, capturing the essence of your adventures in a way that resonates with your audience. The combination of vivid descriptions and striking visuals bring your joy to life. As you can see, getting more and more words generated right here, and yeah, great. Every travel story is unique, and with ChatGPT right here, you can tailor your chronicles to match your personal style. Whether you want a touch of humor, a poetic flair, or a straightforward factual account, ChatGPT can adapt to your narrative preferences. So let's see how ChatGPT can help you craft a story with a specific tone. Suppose you had an adventurous day and want to describe it in a light-hearted and humorous way. Here's a prompt for this to help you out. ChatGPT, I want to write about my adventurous day in a light-hearted and humorous tone. Can you help? So watch how ChatGPT brings a playful twist to your story. As you can see with ChatGPT right here, you can infuse your travel stories with the exact mood and style you envision, making your chronicles truly your own. Whether it's adding a humorous twist to a misadventure or capturing the poetic beauty of a sunset, ChatGPT can help you express your journey in your unique voice. And there you have it. Embrace the art of digital storytelling with ChatGPT and transform your travel experiences into unforgettable chronicles.